Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's day 3 of the Shaving Advent Calendar by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Before I get into the Advent Calendar, I'm going to be using this Filament razor, which is a very nice slant razor. And since that's kind of a clear, I figured I would go with my Astreaus brush that I reknotted a while back. And then I'm going to be using some star jelly with whatever scent we are about to find out. I dropped something. I don't know what it was because I can't see. All right, here we go. We've already opened day 1, 2. And this is 3. And here we go. That was the thumbnail in case you guys didn't know. Oh. I did notice that this year the caps or the lids for the soaps are a different color. Let's put this thing off to the side. Oubliette. I believe I've seen this before, or at least the name. Looks like a little bit of a scary label there, like there's some fire and robot zombies walking through it. I don't know. You know, the scent on this, it's mild, and I can't place it. Almost like a slight resiny, maybe tobacco leaf, like green leaf. Let's see here. I believe this was a ghost of the past. Yep. So the scent notes, let's scroll down here. Talks about the French word, means it's to forget. Maybe that's why I couldn't remember if I used this before. I feel like I had it, but maybe it had a different, maybe it was under a different name. But anyway, it says a rich, deep tobacco and resinous warmth, but it keeps you lingering in the subtle floral undertones of bay and jasmine. Well, I feel like the soap is maybe hiding some of this, so let me get this lathered up and I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna have to apologize. I scrolled down or scanned a little too fast with my eyes. The scent notes on here is going to be tobacco, which I feel like it's more of a green, leaf tobacco. The Breu Branco, which I believe is kind of that resinous, kind of earthy scent. Bay, jasmine, and combined to create a bold, masculine, musky scent. I don't pick up any musk. I feel like it's a mild scent, and for my nose, it just kind of seems like kind of a nice, clean scent. And it's going to be something that I feel like I'm probably going to have to, wear and use several times to appreciate it. But, with that being said, it's just on the back of my hand and not all over my face. So I have that whipped up here in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. I can't even remember if I wet my face. I had a little camera malfunction here a few seconds ago, so I hope the first part of my video was recorded. If not, I will have to do a blooper. Quarter of a teaspoon of the soap and 13 mils of water. Warm up the razor here. Get going with pass number 1 with the grain. When you're using these razors, they are very, very light, and it's something to get used to. Especially if you're going from, you know, like a stainless steel or a copper razor. It's going to have a little bit of different feel to it. No issues mowing down one day's worth of growth. I will say that the tab on this particular razor does hang over a little bit, so watch out around the nose and ears if that's where you're shaving. I really like the guillotine effect that these razors have. I feel like it makes it a lot smoother. Almost feels like a transparent or invisible shave. If you have used this particular soap scent, please comment below and let me know. What's your take? It does say that it was released in 2018, so it's came and gone a few times. Plenty of residual slickness. Day 3, another flannel. When I first mentioned that, it was kind of a little bit on the fly for the 12 flannels of Christmas. And a thought went in my head like, I know I've got a bunch of flannels, but I don't even know if I have enough for 12. I had to go check, and I've got plenty. All right, I want to get cleaned up, and I'll be right back. I did let my wife smell this, and she said she enjoyed the scent, so that's always a good thing. And I'm going to follow that up with the star jelly. All right, that is going to be the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the next shave.